Recent climate change can be seen in a variety of ways, ranging from intensifying hurricanes and storms to increasingly polarized weather. However, hurricanes are naturally healthy for wetlands and other types of deltaic environments, since they relocate sediments into the delta. Extreme storms caused by climate change cause tremendous amounts of damage, environmentally, socially, and economically. Although hurricanes are uncommon in the New York metropolitan area, when they hit this location, the resulting damages can be catastrophic. The potential for irreversible damage is due to the summation of multiple aspects, including the city's geography, geology, oceanography, and demographic characteristics. Due to the New York City's location on multiple rivers as one end of the Long Island Sound, the city is prone to severe flooding and inundation in the future as a result of climate change. With the increasing global sea temperatures, hurricanes will be able to travel into higher latitudes due to warm water upwelling that is common during the tropical cyclones. Moreover, hurricanes in the northern part of the globe are unique, since they move 2 to 3 times faster than the traditional hurricane, which results in stronger hurricane winds, storm surge, and more freshwater flooding. However, the disastrous effects of these storms are felt differently by different people. Due to the socioeconomic factors, there exists a substantial difference between the people who can afford insurance in the 100-year floodplain and those who cannot. A stark example of this divide lies in the community of the Rockaways, a Pennsylvania of Queens. Due to income disparity rates in this region, some more affluent members of the community may purchase insurance with lower risks than others due to the geographic location of their property. If the business as usual route is taken, it is best to begin relocating the people of New York City. Although moving 20.3 million people is expensive, after climate damages, relocation will just become increasingly more expensive. If we immediately begin mitigating climate change, investment in new infrastructure and preparing for the next hurricane is the most efficient method.